What if I tell you that you can make up to $7 per video upload? How will you feel? Will you like it? I believe you will. If I tell you that you can be able to generate passive income online just by simple upload, will you do the job? If I tell you that you can work from home just by using your smartphone or your computer without stress, without much effort, all you have to do is just to set it up the very first time and just leave the rest, then you begin to make money. How will you feel? Will you grab it with a double ends? I believe so. Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to earn money just by uploading simple videos, and I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that step by step. So make sure you watch this video to the end so that you see exactly how it is done. Okay, I'm going to show you, I'll walk you through the website. I'm going to be showing you two websites in particular that you are going to use for this method so that you'll be able to generate passive income with it. And mind you guys, if you can follow through this step, you can be able to generate passive income online with this. As you can see, the total members for this website is 460515. Okay, and as you can see, look at the payment really awesome. They are paid about 58,641 in total. As you can see, these are payments from the same person. All right, so you can begin to receive payment from this particular website starting from today if you can follow through this method I'm about to show you. Okay, as you can see, there are lots of different payment methods that you can use. As you can see, here are the payment methods. You see this: Skrill, FlexiDeals, Perfect Money, Bitcoin, Skrill, and even PayPal. Okay, so I'm going to walk you through this website so that you begin to generate your own money online as a complete beginner. As you can see, PayPal, this is $116. All right, so you can begin to generate passive income with this particular website. As you can see, look at the dates, look at the months. August is all August throughout for now. Okay, you see that? So let me show you what you need to do. But first, in case you are new to this channel, this is Side Hustle Delight channel. I am EO Godwin. Welcome to the channel. Please do consider clicking the subscribe button and also the bell notification icon close to it, just like this, so that you receive update whenever I upload valuable videos just like this. Okay, now without further ado, let me show you how to go about it. All right, the name of the website is called fileupload.com. Guys, I don't want you to go. I want you to watch this video throughout so that you see exactly what I want to be showing you today. Okay, now first, as you can see, why pay money for extra storage space when you can host all of your files with us and earn money off of those files? In other words, you get paid for every file you upload. You get paid for uploading simple files. So you basically don't need a lot of work. All you have to do is to upload it. And mind you, you can use your mobile phone and you can also use your computer. All right, now there are 3 steps to this. The first step is upload files, download files, and earn money. All right, as you can see, they said once you've created your account, start uploading files and make money, and your account starts generating money immediately, and then you can request payouts anytime. As you can see, the minimum payout here is just $1. As for those of you who have not made a single dollar online before, this could be your opportunity. All right, I'm not saying that is all that you need, but I'm saying it could be your opportunity. All right, so and also there are also different ways you can begin to make money with this. As you can see, PPD, PPS, and mixed plan. And what does that mean? PPD simply means pay per download. So you simply get paid whenever they download your files. All right, you get paid 50%, and you get paid rebuild. That's every month you get paid 30%, and the rest is for this particular website. All right, so how do you go about that? All you have to do is Remember, I said I'm going to be showing you two websites. The second website is going to make the work very easy for you. It's a bonus tip. Okay, now I'm into the account. What you have to do first, you just have to click on sign in. Once you click on sign in, it's going to prompt you to sign up with a new account since you don't already have an account with them. So once you click on that, you just have to create your account. I'm already logged in, that's why I'm showing this. So if I were to click on create account, it should supposed to show me a page where I'll fill in my details. All you have to do, just fill in your details. Once you fill in your details, and then you are good to go. Then mind you, what you need to do once you are in is just have to begin to make money. It's that simple. Okay, now what you have to do is you start uploading files. Now once you upload these files, now there are different ways. Now as you can see, upgrade to premium. This upgrade to premium, you don't really need it actually. Okay, that's why I want you to go for the free account, which is this one, which is about 5,000 MB, which is 5 gig, about 5,000 MB maximum upload file. Sorry, why the storage space is 117 gig, which is very huge, which can help you to generate passive income online. All right, so what you have to do, as you can see, you can just go through them after you watch this particular video. Then what you have to do is you come to upload files. Once you come to upload files, it will show you, prompt you how you can begin to upload files. There are lots of ways to go about it. Now just do this simple one, which is file uploads. Now how do you get files to upload? Now here comes the second website. It is called plrminds.com. plrminds.com. All right, in this website you just have to get videos that you need to upload right here on this particular website. Once you upload that in, then you are good to go. The money keeps rolling in. All right, so all you have to do is click on join, and there are lots of free. This one is a paid website also, but you don't have to pay any money to begin to make money with this website. Just click on videos. Once you click on videos, it should take you to something like this. So we just have to select what this simply means, private PLRO simply means private label rights. Okay, private label rights, meaning you have the right to edit all of this stuff and use them again. Okay, so actually you may not even need to edit them, because all you have to do is to do some upload. All right, so now for instance, this is the ebook download. This is the ebook download, and the price here is $6. All right, the six is $6, almost $7. But like I said, you don't need any money to begin to use it. As you can see, just click on free downloads. Once you click on free downloads here, you'll be prompted to a page where you need to download the files. Now once you've downloaded the files, you've succeeded in the second step. Okay, all you have to do after you've downloaded, the network is now somehow slow. Now after you finish downloading, what you have to do next is come to this particular website. What you have to do is click on this orange button right here. Once you click on that, it's going to prompt you to upload. But don't worry, if you are on a mobile phone, you can still use this particular methods. Okay, you can use this particular method for that same purpose. Okay, now what you have to do is you just have to upload a file. Now let me pick a random file to upload, so that let's use this one for an example. Okay, now we're going to upload this file, and as you can see, is 4 MB. The storage is 4 megabytes. Now you just have to click on, make sure you check this box, let it be public, and the description, you just have to type in the description. For instance, this is about Forsage. Now Forsage is a new way you can start making real money online. Real money, okay, real making is a new way you can start to make money. Okay, you see that? So basically this should be the description people are going to see. Okay, now let's remove this and put on some space right here. Okay, now what you have to do, just click on start upload, and the file will be uploaded. Once it's been uploaded, and that's it, boom, you are good to go. So you keep the money will keep rolling in. When people come to the site and they see your upload and they download it, you get paid. It's as simple as that. So simply you get paid just by uploading simple files. Just by uploading files, you get paid from there are different payment methods you can begin to get paid with. You can get paid through PayPal, you can get paid through Bitcoin, through cryptocurrency, Ethereum, Skrill, and Western Union, Perfect Money. This is why it works nationwide. It doesn't matter the country you are. Just let me know the country that you are watching from, so that I will know the kind of videos I'm going to upload for you. Okay, so that you can begin to make some cool cash online as a complete beginner. As you can see, this file is now uploaded. Now this link, we can share this link. You share this link in different forums to aid our money, to increase the rate of our earning. So that's another bonus tip. Okay guys, so I hope that you've enjoyed this video. If you've loved this video, please don't forget to smash the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to this channel in case you are new. Then also forget to comment below what you think about the video, how it has helped you. If you wish, you can rate me right in the comment section below. Thank you very much. Until I see you in my next video. Peace.